Hey skaters, I'm Dirty Deborah Harry with the Dirty School of Skate and Sugar Roller Skates, and I'm here at Pigeons Roller Rink in Long Beach, California today to talk to you about footwork on roller skates. Why are we doing a video on footwork? Because last video I asked you, do you want to see a video on footwork, spins, or jumping? And you picked footwork. How did you pick footwork? You put it down in the comments section. So let's decide our next video together. Do you want to see me do a video on how to do a toe spin, you know, up on your front trucks? Do you want to see me do a video where I turn you into beginner figure skaters by giving you a quick little routine about figure skating? I mean, which one? Just let me know. Or you can be like, no, Dirty, I want the topic from the last time. I want jumping. Let me know and I will make it happen, okay? So today's video is brought to you by pigeonskates.com. You know, if you go online right now, they can get you everything you need. You know you need to start shopping for the holidays right now. You can get plates, wheels, bearings, lube, whatever you need, they got it, you guys. So go on there right now. Don't forget to use my discount code or promo code, as it's called, DIRTY with a big old $, okay? Put it in there and save you some bucks. All right, skaters, so let's get started with some footwork. Now, footwork is generally a combination. Edges, turns, could be jumps, all in a combination together, okay? There's straight line footwork. You can do it on a curve. A combination of the two. Doesn't matter, okay? I'm just gonna show you one section of this. I'm not gonna lie, this isn't beginner stuff. But if you are a beginner, you need to watch this video, okay? For inspiration, for you to break it down for yourself and to try different parts of it, okay? And then be able to put it together. If you're a more advanced skater, you're gonna be like, yes, okay, I see it and I can put it together, but I'll do my best to make it understandable, is that a word? For everybody, okay? How about I just show you what I'm gonna do first, okay? This is what it's gonna look like. And this is footwork done specifically on the corner. So if you're skating outside, you can do this. If you're skating at a tennis court, roller rink, you can always do this because we need to take this corner, right? So here's how it goes. We're gonna basically go this, turn it around, boom. I love this because you know what? It gets you into the corner, you're doing something with it, you're coming out of it, you're spinning around, and you're skating. You can get back into the groove. You don't lose any speed. You're actually gaining speed. Can keep adding on to it, okay? So as always, you guys, my job is to teach you the mechanics, put it into flow, you then create style, right? But this already has an element of flow in it. Each movement is flowing into the next. So that's where I'm gonna kind of start with it. I'm gonna briefly go over the mechanics and then I will put in the comments section, not in the comments, in the video description box, a whole nother playlist on footwork that really breaks things down. I need you to be able to do is put weight on your right foot. It's gonna be right foot, transfer weight to left foot. When we go into the corner, we need to put weight on our right foot and then switch, transfer the weight over to our left foot. You'll see that a lot of this has to do with my hips. So when I'm skating forward, I commit to the weight is down on my right. I start looking. See me dragging this left? I drag and then turn my hips. Turn your hips. It goes like boom. All right, you got to flick those hips. So, weight is right, drag left, turn your hips. Push your foot forward, bring it back, do a cross pull. All right, you know I got a whole video on cross pulls. Cross pulls are this, for those who don't know. This is a cross pull, all right? This is how you can really gain speed skating backwards. All right, so again, weight on right, hip turn left. So weight on right, turn your hips left, push forward with the right, weights on the left. Do a cross pull. Really important when the right foot goes ahead that the weight is on the back foot so you can do that cross pull. Again, we're not interested in slowing down on the corner. We're interested in keeping the speed or even increasing the speed. So it's right, left, push forward, cross pull, out, all the way around, cross in front, holding it right there, and step out. All right, let's do it again. Right, left, forward, cross pull, out, flip it all the way around. Right, left, push, cross pull, out, swing it around. Now, when I just said out, I essentially did this maneuver again. But the most important thing about this is this sets up the outro. It sets up the ability to spin out of this with a lot of speed so that you can forward skate down the straightaway. It's right foot drag left, flip hip out, forward, cross pull, out, swing around. Now, that can get super tricky. When that foot comes all the way around, it doesn't have to lock into this position unless you want it to. It might be a step, just because it can kind of go fast. So it's right, left, push, cross, out, around, and step. Some of the things that you're gonna have to really focus on when you do this, again, dun, 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 pull back, cross pull, out, in, weight is here on the left, right foot is gliding across. You put weight on the right foot and that allows you to step out of it, okay? I realize there's a lot going on here, but I cannot express how much fun this is, okay? So let's see it like in all of its glory. Let's say you're just cruising. Music's playing, got music in your ears, whatever, you're cruising. You see the corner, I'm already looking that way. I'm here, boom, look here, cross, here, and I'm like, let's do it all the way around. And then we can groove down here. Okay, so it's gonna be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Skate, skate, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. I just made up some other stuff. Sometimes that happens. When it comes to footwork, when it comes to doing something that you've never done before, when it comes to doing something new, it is so important. Es muy importante to do something before you're gonna do something. You can't just march right into the footwork and be like, here I am. You gotta ease into it. So I wanna see when you guys send me your videos of how good you are at this, I wanna see you on the straightaways. Give me something. I want to see weights on the left, weights on the right. Shift your body weight. As we shift our body weight, we're down and up, down and up. You got to have something going on. You can't just march your way to the corner and be like, okay? I mean, you could if you were like a serious figure skater and you wanted to really showcase this part. But really, we're looking at how can we get around the corner and look good doing it. Keep or gain momentum. That's what we're doing, okay? So follow me, skaters. Okay. So we're doing something. This gets us into the groove. We start looking and we're right, left, push, cross pull, look out, around, look at me, skate, 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 okay? So we do this kind of C-shaped turn, we're crossing over, we lead out, we bring it all the way around. I know because it's called footwork, you're gonna be obsessed with looking at my feet, okay? But the only reason the feet are able to do everything they can is because they are supported by the body. Not only the body, but the head. Okay, let's just take a look at that aspect of it, all right? I want you to watch when my hips turn. I want you to watch what my arms are doing. I want you to watch my head positioning, even the aspect of where I'm looking, okay? So we're skating down the straightaway. I'm moving. I swear to God, I start looking there right away, right? And we go. Okay? All right, skaters. So I'm hoping that I've explained this enough for you to at least get an idea of how to get it started, okay? Again, I will link below in the description box a whole bunch of videos about footwork that break down the kind of minutia of the different moves. But for this, I'm hoping it gives you inspiration. If you're an advanced skater, you're like, I can do that. If you can, if you're trying, please do it. Tag me in your videos. You have no idea how great it is for me to see you actually practicing the things that I make in these videos. You have no idea. And I don't know if you know this, but I completely get way more excited about your progress than anything. So please use me as your virtual coach. I don't mind. Tag me in your videos, okay? Alrighty, skaters, I gotta go. They're about to have a session here for the public. How cool is this? All right, skaters, I gotta go. So do you, and you know your job. You gotta go practice. See you next time.